Select terraforming target. Select terraforming target. Select terraforming target. Purchase acknowledged.
I was talking this whole time and I forgot my microphone was turned off. Sorry about that. So I was going around showing things what's going to happen, but my mic was off, so that didn't help anybody. But it's now on, and here we go. Yeah, that kind of sucks. But the last time we played, we did really well. We got 4 free systems added. This time we're hoping to bribe a couple more if we can. And then hopefully we can get a line of star bases here. And we're going to expand northeast in my area over there. Okay. So these two guys, I'm going to try and send them some money to turn them into my allies. I guess we'll start with the Zagdorians first, since they're right next to me. Okay.
Terraforming completed. Our intelligence officers have news.
So it seems like somebody's attacking me via intel, which is not good. Okay, Endoria. What is this? Endorian War College. I have no idea what that even means, crew experience. I'm not sure what crew experience means. Okay, where's Endoria at? It's over here somewhere, isn't it? There it is.
Starbase under construction.
Get some assault transports, and then I'm just gonna push. I want to push out with my starbases out to get more world.
Select terraforming target.
More friends. Meet more.
Select terraforming target.
Alien races.
Select terraforming target. Select terraforming target.
As you can see, I'm terraforming a lot of worlds right now, 6 of them at least. Okay, what's going on here? Nothing yet. Bring that to Intel. Okay, everyone's got something to do. I don't have any money to buy anybody off yet. Okay, shield generator.
Select terraforming target.
Okay. Once I get these worlds, I can add the wind thingies, the wind power, add the shipyard, and then expand that way. So we're still doing good here. Make sure all my systems got something to do.
Terraforming completed.
Okay, good.
Select terraforming target. Select terraforming target. Starbase under construction.
Okay. I'll just get all the upgrade thingies I can start upgrading on. That's basically all I can really do right now.
Select terraforming target.
Okay. Ooh, breakthrough in construction. We just lost a scout ship.
Terraforming completed. Our intelligence officers have news.
That's not good. We should not be losing scout ships.
Select terraforming target.
I can only assume it's a Federation. No, all these scout ships are here. That scout ship's there. This is here. I think there's a scout ship here, probably. I got lost. Okay.
Select terraforming target.
Built some heavy cruisers here. Okay, every system's good. Wow, now they're neutral. Funny how money changes all these people.
Terraforming completed. Select terraforming target.
These star bases are coming in. This guy can help build that one faster. Okay. Oh, so these guys still got a lot they need to do over here. Why are you guys disgruntled? You guys are all freaking disgruntled over here. I don't understand why. Why are you guys always disgruntled? Where's my police state at? You guys literally don't do anything but whine and complain and then get disgruntled. We're having the best game we've ever had in a while, and you guys just here complaining you're disgruntled. Combat testing.
Terraforming completed. Our intelligence officers have news.
Okay. Ooh, that's not good. How did the Federation sneak in here? Like that. How did the Federation just sneak in here like that? Oof. I'm gonna move this world over there and just try and take it really quick before the Federation get it. See, as you guys are disgruntled, we are starting to lose worlds that we need.
Select terraforming target.
Okay.
Purchase acknowledged. Terraforming completed.
You bring your destroyer over here, it's gonna get destroyed if you come to my outpost.
Select terraforming target.
Okay. Where am I at? Worlds, trade goods. No, and now Andoria is disgruntled again. Oh my goodness. I can't have my main systems disgruntled or they're gonna leave me. I don't even know why they're disgruntled. We're doing perfect. We're doing good. You guys got no reason to be disgruntled.
Starbase completed. Terraforming completed. We have news from our diplomats.
Okay, I did say Starbase completed. It's probably the one I was doing, my main one I was doing up here. Yeah. Okay. You go here, help build that one. You go here, help build this one.
Select terraforming target. Select terraforming target.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta keep the Federation back from this area. I need star bases there.
Our warriors will engage the enemy. Select terraforming target.
Okay. Is this only a Antetian thing? I'm not sure. Oh, I already sent him again. Okay. Okay, now I can build a lot more things. A light attack vessel has been hijacked.
Terraforming completed. We have news from our diplomats. Our intelligence officers have news. Select terraforming target. System will be colonized. System will be colonized.
Okay, that's good. Colonize.
Our warriors will engage the enemy.
Their destroyer can move 2 worlds at a time. Okay. You reject my friendship treaty again. Sweet of you. do these guys need? Okay, got that.
At last. Terraforming completed. System will be colonized.
So I elected to colonize that one early.
Task force will enter wormhole.
Just to avoid the Federation coming in and taking it. Because I don't want to lose another world to the Federation. You can't. That's not good. Not good for me.
Purchase acknowledged.
Okay, so we got 2 more worlds.
Select terraforming target. Select terraforming target.
Okay. Federation got another world. That's the one right here they just took. Not too pleased about it. My science is starting to go up though, but my economy is staying pretty low.
At last. Terraforming completed.
Probably because I'm sending all my money to these other worlds.
Purchase acknowledged.
I'm gonna get same thing here, power, and then the shipyard, and then be able to venture off more over here. Okay, I think these guys are building my heavy cruisers. Okay, yeah, so my heavy cruiser is about to take off there. I'm gonna have both these ships build the starbase together, that way I can get out further, faster. Okay, these guys are terraforming.
Select terraforming target.
Packland. Okay. I don't know why the Packlands destroyed every bit of industry they had. Okay, let me check all the systems, make sure everyone's got something to do. There's several of these systems that got 150, like, what are you even doing? With all that extra. Yeah, y'all. Okay.
Terraforming completed. We have news from our diplomats. Our intelligence officers have news.
By the
Purchase
shipyard.
acknowledged.
And then the hunting ground. This one's ready to be colonized.
System will be colonized. Select terraforming target.
Okay. So it looks like my biggest threat right now is just going to be the Federation down here. Oh wow, they oppose an affiliation. Okay.
Treaty will be accepted.
Statement. Actually, I might want to undo that. Because then they're going to have access to everything in mine. Probably not the best move, but we'll try it for right now.
Select terraforming target. At last. Terraforming completed.
Okay, so Sol's here. This is our main world. Oh, so they're only doing one planet at a time like I was doing in the beginning, but then I went through and populated all mine. I think that means I can use them for trading partners, I think. Not exactly sure.
Select terraforming target.
Okay. What's going on over here?
Select terraforming target.
Okay, let me do large map. And I think I can connect to their guys. I'm not sure. Overlay. Let's take off. I can't see anything like that. Okay. Oh yeah, I can. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. So I got all four of those. I got this guy here. Got that guy ready, I think. Okay, the ones on the left are all done. That one, I got all those ones on the right. Okay. Gotcha. So I'd rather not lose these guys yet, just because of the amount of income I'm gonna start getting now because of the Federation. Got this guy right here. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna see how much we're gonna make by trade pretty soon. Those guys and these. This is a new world. A lot of these systems just finished up with everything right away, right on the mark, right after the other. Okay. Okay, so everyone's got something to do. Got a little bit of money. Sent him some money. I just want to see how high my money
Terraforming
goes.
completed.
It's about
We have
$300
news
more.
from our diplomats.
Okay, so finally the Zakdorns are our friends. Zakdorns are our friends. We got trade routes up the Yin Yang right now to the Federation. I'm gonna take the trade routes off, so we don't have to see them. I'm gonna build an outpost here. This outpost is almost done. This one's nearly almost done too. Over here, this outpost needs to be started. Okay, we're almost got these two worlds over here. I have a feeling they're gonna get their Iridians, which is not gonna be good for me, but it is what it is. Federation look pretty weak actually right now, if you see their worlds. Well, actually I'm not even gonna do anything because I'm gonna call it quits here for today. Alright, here's another video, and we'll leave it like this for now. We just made friends with the Zakdorn. We've expanded. Our empire is bigger than it's ever been. Our military is not that big though. We're still building ships. We might have issues with the Cardassians at some point in time. I've destroyed one of their ships, so my only success. And our economy is starting to catch up. Science is last, but it's, I don't know, it's got a little work to do. Alright, we'll leave it here. Later.